She's figured out that when she does that, it makes more of a noise. She keeps putting it up to make noise into it. Oh, maybe she's lost interest now. I guess she's done with it. At least we caught her a couple of times. She kept doing it to make noise into it. So funny.